Just realized I did the whole video without anything on my wrists. Hi, and welcome to another edition of the FlufferDome. Yeah, okay. Hey Fluffs, how you doing? Think I forgot? No, I did not forget. Or maybe a little. But I remembered, and I'm excited. How you guys been? Good? Okay, cool. Well, what I'm doing today is a review haul review. But before we do that, are you subscribed? Have you subscribed yet? You should subscribe. I'm telling you, do it. And if you're already subscribed, thank you. Appreciate you, you know? We always need new fluffs. So if you're not subscribed, I say subscribe, okay? Cool. Now, on to the review. So today I am going to hauling. This is more stuff from Taobao. So today I'm doing shoes and legwear, okay? Shops I ordered from were Antaina and Angelic Imprint, and for legwear, it is Renia and Renia. Renia and Renia, okay? Cool. So, first, we're going to start with shoes. Now, wait. Before we start, if you're unfamiliar with Taobao is like a giant Chinese mall. Like, and anything and everything you can think of, they have. But we normally use it for Lolita fashion. And, you know, you can buy other stuff on there too, but I believe certain shipping services, because you have to use a shipping service to use them, or you can do direct. That is a little more complicated. I haven't been that brave to try that out yet, but you can order direct from them. You also have to somewhat be able to functionally translate Chinese. So if you're not confident in attempting that, then use a shipping service. I always use 42 Agent. 42 Agent used to be Taobao Ring, but a few years ago last year they changed to 42 Agent. That is the shipping service I use, and basically what I do is I submit to them my order, they buy the things for me, and then send it to me. That's how I get it. All right, cool. Back to what I got. 3 pair of shoes and 4 pairs of tights. 4 legwears. Yeah, 4 legwears, 3 pairs of shoes, and that's what we're doing today. We're going to start with shoes first, because that's what I have on my computer screen. So these are from Antaina, and they are rocking horse shoes. I will also insert a picture here of what they look like. Okay. All right, now that's done showing. This is the shoe. I just took it out the how they send it to you. They send it in like not a mesh bag, but you know, like that real thin, like this. I don't know what you call this material, but this little flimsy thin bag here. But this, and it comes with these are the strap that goes up your leg, and it comes with the ankle strap, and these are nice. I did expect them to be taller originally, and also the ones in the picture have the wood grain on them, so maybe that's a different, I don't know, but the ones on the picture have the wood grain. This one does not have the wood grain. I mean, I'm not so mad at it, you know, they still look good. I like them. Excited to finally have RHS. Now I feel official. First I felt official, when I got my start clip, my first chocolate mint start clip. And now I feel doubly official because now I have RHS. I love it. All right, next pair from Antaina. Oh, okay, and what those are called? Those are called
Antaina Muffin Thick Soled Shoes, Han Chow, Han Lu Bride Shoes, Stage, Heightening Shoes, 9836.
This is their actual listing. This is the Google translation of, yeah. Okay, done. Next one from Antaina. These are called
Antaina Lolita Cos Punk Super High Heeled Multi-Band Clean Shoes, 9804-1 black.
So these only come in black. We'll insert the picture. And this is what they look like. They still got the stuffing on them because I restuffed them and put them away. This didn't actually come with them. This is from another pair of shoes that I had. I put that in there to hold this piece up. Just, you know, to try and, you know, lengthen the life longevity of my shoes. But these, I see you. I love these so much. These are like my big gothic bad boys now. I love these. These are mine. And I love them. And the construction is actually really good. I really like the construction on the shoes. I have no complaints there, except for the wood grain on my RHS. But those are good. Like those. All right. Next up. Yes? Yeah, I know. It's stuff for your dad. Thank you. All right. Next up, we have, these are from Angelic Imprint. I'll just, right here, since I'm on this side. Right here. Yeah. Aren't they cute? Okay. But I didn't get them in that color. Where? Oh. Couldn't find them. I got them in a custom color because they don't come this dark red wine color, but I wanted them this dark red wine color. So this is them. These, of course, they crisscross. This bow is detachable, and then it's just the, get my big old hand out the way so you can see the shoe. These are really nice. Construction on these is really, really good as well, and I have no complaints. The only complaint, actually, this strap is dumb long. Like you see in the picture, I'm gonna put it back up here just so you can see the strap, how it's supposed to go around my ankle. It doesn't. And now I'm gonna put you the picture of me wearing them again. Do you see? It's just sad, and it's just sad. Yeah, so this strap is way too long for my tiny ankles. One of my ankles is more tiny than the other. Sorry about the noise. You know, as you know, the children are home, so, you know, they're gonna be loud sometimes, even when I ask them to be quiet. But for the most time, they do a good job. And they're quiet when I'm filming. So, all right. So those straps are just really, really long, and yeah, really long straps. I have to take them to a shoe repair to see if I can get them shortened, and because I would just cut it myself, but you have to resew it. And there's no way I'm getting a needle. I don't even think I have a needle strong enough to get through that. Yeah, no. So I'm just going to take it and let them do it, because I'm pretty sure they have the strong sewing machine to put the strap. Anywho, those are my shoes. Now, we're going to go to Legwear. We're going to start with Red Maria. Red Maria, I got 3 pairs of tights for them. No, I got 4. So I have 5 total pairs of tights. Is that what I said earlier? I think so. Sorry. All right. Anywho, we're gonna start with the
Peacock Feather Socks, Red Maria, Lolita Socks, Low Socks, Retro Lace, Original Double-Sided Printing Pantyhose.
Here they go. I like these. These are really nice. They do actually, so these are black, but they do the thing where they gray out when they're stretched. You see that? But they still look good when they're on, and they surprisingly still go all the way up and fit my, what was it? Like 64 centimeter thighs and 110 centimeter hips. And those numbers may be off because I kind of just threw the tape measure around my body when I did it just to check. I'm like, these tights went up? What? Yeah, so, you know, if you're about those measurements, you're good with Red Maria tights, okay? Also, I'm 5'3" height, so just imagine those proportions. If you're around that, you should be good, okay? All right, and yeah, so those are nice. Love those. I like that they're black and they have the red in it, so that way, yeah, I can wear it with a lot of stuff and bring in a pop of red. All right, next I got this one kind, but I got it in 2 colors. This is
Miss Grace Socks, Red Maria, Lolita Socks, Low Socks, Retro Original Printed Pantyhose Socks.
Anyway, I got these in white, which I had these on with this cord and I took them off because I remember I needed to show you. So, and they already look like they've been worn because they have. This is them. Oh, the light's washing them out. I don't know. They're really nice. The print is so nice. And there's like also like, yeah, you could see that. It's in the background. So there's like a background print. And then you have this print is on top of that background print. It's so pretty. Like here, you can see it right there. So you see it? Yeah. I really like these. These are nice. Those are the white ones. And these are the red wine, they call these. So pretty. Look at that background print. I like these so much. And I like it too because the one side has an R for one leg and then the other leg has an M for Red Maria. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Ha! Red Maria. I like it. Like those. Okay. Those are awesome. Got those 2 colors. And then this last one, these surprised me. That was my fault. I didn't exactly fully read the description when I bought these. So I actually might possibly be selling these because I don't think I'll ever actually have use for them. They are
the Rose Chain Red Maria Lolita Bronzing Winter Super Thick Plus Velvet Original Bronzing Printing Pantyhose.
And those would be these. Now I really like these because it's gold. But then, okay, yeah, you can see it kind of catches a sparkle here and there. Now it won't focus. Yeah. And also it says Red Maria down the print. And these are so nice. The print is nice, but also they're like extra dumb thick. Like these are winter tights. Like they're fleece lined. It doesn't even say fleece lined. Oh no, it says put velvet over there it is. Yeah, like they feel nice though. Honestly, I might just keep these and like have these as like pajamas. I don't know what kind of weird legging pajamas, but I don't know, I might. And then it stops at like, I guess your foot part. But when you try it on, it stops like above your foot. You'd have to wear, depending on your shoe, you'd have to wear a sock. Because yeah, you could see the color difference. The color difference shows on your body too, like when you wear it. So you might have to wear a sock over to cover it if you get these. But if you live in a colder climate, and I think they had 2 different prints with like, they were thick tights like these. But yeah, if you live in a colder climate, those will come in handy for you. I don't. I live in Georgia, United States. it's hot here. It's hot here most of the time. So, yeah, I'm not getting much use out of those. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Next, I have, so that was it for Red Maria. And I just got one pair from Renia just because I'm bear mom and I needed bears. It is the
Renia Lingna, original Lolita girl, brown print, velvet stocking, sweet bear like you're sweet.
Why, thank you. I never read it all the way to the end. Never have read that one all the way to the end. That, thank you. There they go right here. So they're like our ivory off-white, with the printing is brown, and it's these bears and bows and crisscrossing, like lacing, and more bows and pearl chains and crowns, and these are just so cute. And they have another print, but like these were the ones that I needed. And like it all falls in like because I've worn these already too. I just washed them, so they're like back straight. But like where it falls on your leg, it falls because this part like kind of falls in like kind of like garter area, like on your leg, on your thigh, and it's so cute. These are good ones. I love those. Okay, and that's it actually. Wow, that was. I don't know why I feel like there should have been more stuff. I feel like there should have been more stuff. Well, I guess that was it. This was a quick one, huh? Right? I know I have a lot of long videos. I like talking to you guys. So, and then when I go to edit, I'm like, you guys have no idea sometimes how much I edit out. So if you think that what I upload is long, just think about me telling you now how much more I cut out. Like, I spend hours editing my nonsense because I can't stop talking. So I will probably edit this one as little as possible. Just so you guys can kind of understand this explanation that I'm giving right now. And if I don't, and I edit it to make it shorter, I might just like put like a thing saying whether I did or didn't right there. So you'll know, and that will be the only way that you know if I edited it down or if I just left it mostly as is with all of my ramblings. Maybe. I don't know. But anyway, I hope you liked it. I hope you maybe help you make some buying decisions. Maybe you've been thinking about stuff. It's one of the reasons I like watching unboxings and hauls and reviews. Like, I like to kind of, get a human's opinion, like, directly about the thing that I'm thinking about getting, maybe. I think that helps with purchases, so that's why I do these, to help you guys. Because sometimes I'd be like, and then I see somebody else get it and be like, dang it, I should have got it. I should have. It was fun. But, that's just my thoughts. Anyway, make sure you subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and like this video. Leave me some comments in the comments below, and I will see you next time. Later, Fluffs. Just realized I did the whole video without anything on my wrist. I forgot.